Hello everyone, in these instructions you will learn the process of how to install Python 3.9 on the Ubuntu operating system by adding the dipsnakes PPA to your system's repository list. You can refer to the document in the description and copy and paste the commands, or just follow along the steps and type into your command prompt. For the first step, as you have Ubuntu running, locate your terminal and open it. As you have your terminal open, copy and paste this into the command prompt or type it. And press enter. If requested in password, type it in and press enter. For the next step, copy and paste this command or type it into your command prompt. Press enter. And press enter to continue. Allow to process. For the next step, make sure to update your system's repository list. In order to do this, type this into the command prompt. Press enter. Next, type or copy this into the command prompt. This will allow you to begin the installation of Python. Allow the installation to complete and type this command in order to check your installation is complete. It'll then tell you your current Python installation version, and that is how you install Python onto the Ubuntu operating system. Your results may look a little different, but as you refer to the document, you'll see that the steps will give you the same result. Thank you.